Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Isdone.Dll error, then let's look at the following solutions. The first one would be is to do a disk cleanup. So to do that, we need to go to the search button, look for disk cleanup, and here we'll check all the boxes. And once that's done, we'll click OK, delete files. And once these files are deleted, we restart the computer and this message should no longer appear. But if it does, then we will run an SFC scan. We do that by going to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, and type in the command sfc space slash scan now SEANNOW and press enter. Now what this will do is this will scan your system and will replace the isdone.dll file. Now by now it should have been fixed, but if it doesn't, then we can re-register the isdone.dll file. So what we do is we copy this command regsvr32.exe space isdo1e.dll. We copy it and we open command prompt, right click, run as admin, yes, and we copy this and we press enter. Similarly, we can also copy this command regsvr32.exe space unarc.dll and we can open command prompt, run as administrator, yes, copy this and press enter. This should mostly resolve the problem, but if it doesn't, we have only two other solutions. One is to run a memory diagnostic check. For that, we'll need to press the window and the R button together and enter this command mdsched, press OK and press restart now and check for problems. So this will shut down your computer, check your memory for problems and restart the computer. All right, the last option, but the least option that we have is to reset Windows. So how we will do that is we will right click the start button, go to settings. Here we will go to system and we will scroll down for recovery. Here we will click reset PC and we will click remove everything. But please remember that before you click on this, you need to save your personal files, because once you click on this and we go further ahead, then this will remove all your personal files and there will be no backup. So you have to back up your personal files. Okay, we'll click on this and we will click on cloud download. So what this will do is this will download an original copy of your Windows software from the servers, Microsoft servers, and once it is installed on your system, it will then use the original software to reinstall it in your system, and then your system will no longer show this kind of error message. So click on cloud download and then proceed further and your error message should be gone. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.